What's up guys, it's Travis and welcome back to my channel. This is not financial advice. I am only here for entertainment and to share with you guys what I'm currently doing. And so in my last video, I was talking to you guys about Bitcoin and why I was expecting a pullback. We have gone up a lot. And to be honest guys, I'm expecting a pullback. We actually saw that pullback 2 or 3 days ago, like right after I posted that video, literally like 2 days after that. And it was a nice pullback. We went from $40,000 to $41,000 a coin, so now it's sitting roughly around 30,000, or hit 30,000. For a lot of people, that's a lot of volatility, but for the cryptocurrency market, we are under $1 trillion market cap. We have so much room to grow. And because of this, we're going to see a lot of volatility. So I just want to assure you guys, for those of you who are holding Bitcoin right now, to not sell. Because when you are selling, you're selling to the very rich people, the institutions, the hedge fund managers, the banks, the governments, all of these companies or even countries that are buying Bitcoin, and they're buying it from you at a discounted price. They understand that Bitcoin is going to go to well over $500,000 a coin, and if they can buy it at $30,000 a coin, they're not going to be complaining. And you guys are going to regret it. I have sold Bitcoin in the past and I regret it to this day. I was in Bitcoin back when it was at $3,000 a coin, guys. I learned my lesson. I'm not doing that again. I've been in it with you guys since 8K and I'm riding it all the way to 500,000, a million, 10 million. We don't know how far it could go, but it is going to go crazy. And you guys need to be ready for it. Based off the previous history that we see with Bitcoin, especially during a bull market, we see Bitcoin's price go up and it has a pullback. It scares a lot of people that are holding Bitcoin. They sell it, people buy up and it goes higher. And then they sell it and then it goes higher. And usually during a bull market, we see between a 10 and a 20x of growth in Bitcoin's price. Guys, the last all-time high that we had in Bitcoin was $20,000 a coin. At a 10x from that, that's only $200,000 a coin. That's at a 10x. Sometimes we see a 20x. And like I said before, we're under $1 trillion market cap. Bitcoin is trying to become not only a currency, but also a store of value. So when you look at gold, which is outdated in a lot of ways, gold is sitting at a $10 trillion market cap. Bitcoin has a 20x just to get to gold. And then take in the fact that Bitcoin is also trying to be a currency, because as Bitcoin's market cap grows, there's more money in it, it becomes less volatile. And so you'll actually be able to use Bitcoin as a form of currency compared to what we're using today, because as you can see, Bitcoin is very volatile. There's not a lot of money in it, especially for a currency. Currencies like the US dollar is a $20 trillion market cap. We would have to 40x before we got to the same value of the US dollar. And then not only that, Bitcoin is a cross-border payment method. And so not only would it be taking out the US dollar, it'd be taking out all of the other currencies, because you wouldn't need a form of currency exchange because it's a worldwide currency. You wouldn't be trading it for the yuan or the US dollar or the ruble or whatever it is, because it's a worldwide currency. And so it's going to be a lot bigger than just the US dollar's market cap sitting at $20 trillion. So when you guys think of Bitcoin, you need to think long term and big picture. Like I said before, do not invest with money that you're not willing to lose, because when you see these pullbacks, you are going to get emotional and you don't want to sell when you're emotional. Times like this, when people are fearful, you need to buy. And we learned this from Warren Buffett, who's also famously known for saying Bitcoin is rat poison, but that's besides the point. Actually, Bitcoin is more valuable than Warren Buffett's company now, Berkshire Hathaway. So there's that. But guys, if you enjoy this content, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below. Like I said, do not freak out. This is a long-term play for me. Only have money invested that you are willing to lose, and you truly need to understand what it is that you're buying, so that when you do see pullbacks, you're not going to be scared out of the market because you see the bigger picture. So that's all I've got for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the upcoming episode. Take it easy, guys.